news! Google just released powerful new Gemini AI features, and this changes everything for content creators. With Gemini, you can now generate multiple professional photo shot angles from just one image, including headshots, left view, right view, side profile, back view, zoom in, zoom out, and full body shots. But that's not all. You can now create up to 10-second AI videos for free. Gemini also offers different free AI models for editing images, removing backgrounds, changing outfits, enhancing photo quality, writing captions and scripts, generating voiceovers, creating background music, building websites, analyzing documents, creating AI movie scenes. If you're a content creator, designer, video editor, or entrepreneur, this tool can help you save time and make money online. Let me show you exactly how to use it.
The first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Google Flow. You see this option that says create with Google Flow. Click on it. Register with any preferred Google account of your choice. Once you've registered, now you're going to see try Omni now. Just click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now the next thing to do is to click on tools. When you click on tools, it's going to display upload media. Then you choose any reference image of your choice. Now the next thing to do is to select add media. So as you can see, this is the image it's uploaded for me. Now you're going to see overhead, side, back, left, right, up, down, zoom in, zoom out, and all the rest. Alright, so this is the previous work I did. So what you have to do now is to just click the one that you prefer. If it's overhead, click on it. It's definitely going to generate an overhead shot. It's going to generate it. Alright, as you can see, the first image has been generated, which is overhead. Then the second one is the left. Alright, so the next one has been generated as well. So if you want to download it, just tap hold the image and download. Now after downloading the images, the next thing I did was turning them into a storyboard. I went ahead to upload majority of the images. As you can see, I uploaded a whole lot of them, and I wrote using the attached image, create a storyboard for me. All right, now I will hit generate. It has started creating a storyboard for me. Okay, so this is it. This is the first storyboard. Okay, it has created a storyboard. It has to slash it into 4 places. Okay, it's created up to 4 storyboard for me. So what I'm going to do next is to upload it, and I'll turn it to a video. All right, as you can see. Now what I did next was uploading my preferred storyboard. Then after uploading the one that I want, I have to go back to the inbox. So I typed this using the storyboard attached, maintain the image reference, and create a different angle video. Now after this, you hit generate. You can see it's generating the video. Now let's see the outcome. Now here is the outcome of the video.
We must create it and master it. How do you feel about this shift? Now let us take action.
Now this is awesome. As you can see, it maintained the consistency of the image. It maintained everything. I didn't even add any word to it. Now when you tap at upload media, it will take you straight to your gallery. So this image that is being displayed here is the one I generated. All right, it's the one I generated here. That's why it's being displayed here. But you can go to your gallery and upload your reference image. All right, so I've chosen the one I want. This is the one I want, and it's still a storyboard. Okay, so I went ahead to paste my prompt. This is the prompt which I used. All right, now after this, what I'm going to do, by your right hand side, you might see nano banana. Click on it. I'm going to set up my video aspect ratio. So select video, select ingredient, select your preferred aspect ratio. Now select 1x. This is the output of the video, the number of video you want to generate. In order to save your credit, just select 1s and select 10 seconds. All right, so I have to make this clear. If you're not using the pro version, you cannot be able to use 10 seconds. But if you're using the pro version, you can use 10 seconds. If you're not using the pro version, you only use 8 seconds, 6 seconds, and all the rest. Now the video is ready, so this is how it is. All right, but I remember I selected 16:9, so once I've downloaded it, it's not going to be in this form again. If you go to your gallery, it's not going to be in this form. Now to download the video, you see this icon where my arrow is pointing at, that is where you download it. All right, click on it and it will be downloaded directly to your gallery. Now what I did next was uploading another storyboard. Remember, I generated a series of storyboard. I uploaded another storyboard which contains 4 scenes. All right, so after uploading them, I have to hit generate. Remember, it's 10 seconds. Okay, if you're not using the pro, you cannot access 10 seconds. Now this is the outcome of the video. Let's watch it together.
Welcome back to another episode. Begin.
This is beautiful. I love the outcome of the video. It's followed the procedure, the scene by scene. The storyboard which I posted, it followed the scene by scene. It's never skipped anyone. So in order to download it, you have to click up. You see where the arrow is pointing at. Click on it and download
how to use it. Before we begin, if you love learning about AI tools, AI movies, UGC ads, and how to make money online with AI, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you want the exact prompt I used in this tutorial, comment prompt and I will send it directly to you.
Now the next thing I did was uploading an image reference of me. So I turned it to a video. This is mind-blowing, and the best part is that it maintained the consistency of my image. It maintained it in all scenes. So after uploading it, I have to paste my prompt and hit generate. It's very easy, the same way we've been generating the video. So as you can see, the video is generating. Now the video is ready, so let's watch and see the outcome of the video.
I'm sending the invoice now.
Is mind-blowing. It kept my image consistency and the flow is everything. It followed the scene by scene. Now this is beautiful. You can use any image of yourself and you turn it to video. It is very easy. Now we all remember that previously, back then, Flow cannot maintain the consistency of your image. It cannot maintain it, especially if you are using a realistic image of yourself. It might have a glitch, but now it has been upgraded. You can now use your own image and turn it to a movie scene. You can use it to advertise your product. You can use it to do anything. All right, so let's try out something else. What I did next was pasting another prompt and generating. So this is text to video. This is not image to video, and it kept the consistency. That's one thing I love about this new Gemini Omni. It is beautiful. So let's see the outcome of the video. This is incredible. You see that background sound you heard? I'm not the one that inputs it. It gave a good background sound for the video. All the videos are generated. The background sound you're listening to, I'm not the one that instituted it. So now it's left for you to tell Google Flow that you don't want a background sound. All right, you don't want a background sound for this. So this is so beautiful. Now the B part is coming, where I'll be teaching you how to edit your pictures and everything. This AI new upgraded tool, it is loaded. It is loaded. Now don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Drop it in the comment section.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to learn AI. And remember, if you want the prompt I used, comment prompt and I will send it directly to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.